Hey, what's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. I guess I gotta apologize first before we get into business today. I'm sorry I haven't really been putting out videos as much. I've actually been just enjoying riding as of late whenever I can. Also, the weather hasn't been too great. As you guys know, if you guys don't know, I do live in Florida, and the cold has been quite interesting, especially with the blizzard up north and whatnot. So yeah, I do apologize for not putting out as much as I probably should be, but I am trying my best to do when I can, when the weather permits and when my time permits. But I have been out and about riding, have not been filming. But if you guys want to go check out Big Mark on Twos, I'll have a link to his channel in the description and in the comment section. He does a bunch of reels and shorts of like going out and stuff like that. Check out the channel. You will see me in most, I believe in most of the videos. So make sure you check him out. But anyways, today's video, we are going to talk about my bike. Just a couple of upgrades, no riding today and all this other stuff. But I did put on some bar end mirrors and I did add a quad lock charger to the bike, which I do like and don't like. I'll discuss that in a second here. But yeah, let's go ahead and show you guys what the bike looks like now. As you guys can see, no mirrors, so definitely have a total mirror delete. I did buy some plates to go where the mirrors did go. I'm not really liking it too much. The color does look pretty well. But to me, it could flow a little bit more better with the bike. Just to let you guys know, I'll have links to all the products I'm showing on here today, plus all other products I've ever talked about in the past. I think this was Puig cover plates. I'm not too sure, but yeah, that's it right there. Also, check out the bar end mirrors from the front. I am still able to have lever guards. I still was able to put my lever guards on along with the bar end mirrors, as you can see right here. But yeah, me personally, I was a little hesitant on getting the bar end mirrors. I got this off of Amazon. Once again, the link will be in the description down below. You guys can check it out. I was hesitant because I wasn't sure if I liked the bar end mirrors or not. People had been telling me that I need to go ahead and delete my mirrors because it'll give the bike a better look. Yes, it does give the bike a better look, but for safety reasons, I don't have mirrors to look behind me. I'm an old man, and it's hard for me to move around on the bike. I'm getting better with my movement on the bike, as long as I keep going to the chiropractor and getting that worked out. But I can't ride without mirrors. There ain't no way. So I got the bar ends, I tried it out, and I was like, yo, this is dope. I love this to death. As a matter of fact, I feel like I can see better behind me and beside me with the bar end mirrors. There are still, believe it or not, there are still some dead spots where you can't see cars beside you. Like if a car is like right at your tail beside you in the next lane over, you cannot see the car in the mirrors, unless you probably could if you adjust the mirrors properly, but that'll put you totally out of adjustment to see behind you. But other than that, I still have to move around and stuff like that. But other than that, I really do love these bar end mirrors. I think they're only like $40 on Amazon. I think it was $40 or $50. I got these off of Amazon. Once again, the link will be down below with that. The next upgrade is this, the quad lock wireless mag charger. It's a beautiful thing. As a matter of fact, hold on. So as you can see, it's hooked up. It is wired. It does go all the way to the back to, basically runs all the way from, the wire runs all the way from there, all the way back here to my rear, where I do, as a matter of fact, let me actually pop this open. To right there, I did have to buy the wireless the wireless quad lock charger, the weather resistant one, and separately you have to buy the adapter, which is basically a plug and play to the battery. It's well, the USB is plugged in directly into this, the adapter, and then you have and then you hook this up to the battery itself. So it's actually quite neat. I do love it. It has been great for when I'm planning to go out riding, because typically I do some long rides and stuff like that. As a matter of fact, look, there's a bar end mirror. I have bar end mirrors on both sides. And also before I forgot to talk about, when you do install, you have to use the bar end that came with the mirror, and you can use the original screw and put that on. If you use the original bar end from this and just have the bar end mirror, it's going to lock up your throttle. So that's very important to know. You have to use the bar end that came in with the mirror. So that will help not rub up against the throttle when you're hitting the throttle. But anyways, so back to the charger. It's a good charger. The only problem I'm having with it is that the charger will actually stay on when the bike turns off. The original reasoning for the adapter is so that when you turn the key off, the charger will turn off too. What's been happening with my particular bike will sometimes stay at above 12.5 volts when it turns off, which means that it tells the adapter not to turn off the charger. Well, if you look somewhere in all the paperwork and stuff like that for the adapter turns off after 12.5 volts. That's why I was saying 12.5 volts to begin with. It's annoying. I do have to check the bike when I do stop and I do get off the bike. I do have to check it does have a light. I do have to check the light to make sure that it does turn off. But other than that, it's great for long rides. I don't have to plan to make sure that, hey, I got to fully charge my phone before I roll out. I do have the MagSafe case, quad lock case for my bike. Actually, I have them on both of my phones. So just in case either one goes dead, I can charge it up on the bike while going down the road. So it's great. But yeah, that's really my only qualms with this, with the charger. But other than that, it's a great piece of, it's great to have on a bike, especially a sports bike, and on long rides. But anyways, I guess I'll go ahead and cut out the video here, stop the video here. Make sure you guys check out Big Mark on 2s. If you'll see me featured in his video and stuff like that. We do go out riding and stuff like that, and he does film some of that and put out reels, really cool reels with good music and stuff like that. Also, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you guys have any questions about anything that I've shown you here today, make sure you drop a comment down below, or just to drop a comment, period. You know, anything you want to say, good, bad, or indifferent, take it and I'll answer it. Also, I cannot stress enough to you people, ride your ride, especially new riders. Ride your ride. It is very, very, very important that you ride your ride, because I was even on, quick story, I was on a group ride, and a rider's trying to keep up with the expert riders at the front. He ended up in a ditch. He didn't have the skill level. He's only been riding for like 6 months, trying to keep up with people who've been riding for 20 years. No. Not good at all. But anyways, like I said, ride your ride, be safe out there, wear your equipment, or wear equipment that you feel comfortable with, and peace out, everybody.